been asked about land. Now look at this here, right? Before it was cleared, it was flattened, but all the weeds and stuff has grown back again. But basically this land goes right over there, right to the end of here, and you'll be able to see how far it goes, how big it is. It's massive, absolutely massive. But unfortunately this land is near Naga, and any land that's near Naga is not cheap.
Yes. The only cheap is in province.
Yeah, the only cheap land you can get is in province. You're not going to get anything cheap in Naga. But going off an experience we've just had about prices, I'm going to, not intentionally, and not that I have the money, but I'm going to make the guy an offer for 1,000 square meters and see what he says. And hopefully we'll get a price on 1,000 square meters. 1,000 square meters to do my resort is minimum. Let's just have a look in here. Now this is part of where we're going to show you. I don't know if you can see that house in the distance, but that's where the land goes to. That's for sale.
Maybe you can park, if you have planning to buy a car, you can park here.
I'm not planning to buy a car. What with? Give up. She keeps on about cars. And if we can get some land here and, you know, eventually able to build on it, this might be the better option. There's a number of reasons for that. One, it's in Naga, the place I love. It's near Mel's family, and she'll move wherever I want. If I said I was moving to the UK, she'd move to the UK. Look at my little baby. Loves her daddy. Hi, alright, come to daddy. It's close to building supplies. In fact, where I would want the land, there's a building supplies just a little way along the road. So you could get most of your, well, you can get everything you need to start the build. Oh, you lost your shoe. Watch behind you, man. So anyway, the other good thing about building here is you're next to the road, so you're next to all the services, and this is the land. There you go, 24,522 square meters just on this side. On that side, it's does that say 14,008 square meters on that side. I don't want to be on that side because it's lower down. This is high up, so this isn't ever going to flood. So my square meterage I'd want on this corner lot. So what's happened is we couldn't get in touch with them, so Mel sent a message, and I'm pretty gutted because that's the message we got back. I hope you can see it.
5,000.
It's 5,000 a square meter. Can you remember when it first went up with rush sale? It was 8,000 per square meter, and people said I was lying or I'd got it wrong. It's like I didn't get it wrong. So we sent a message saying we'll give you.
So the full message, you see the camera.
I can't keep it still. There you go. So I said, just out of interest, right, and we haven't got 400,000 before people start getting excited and get the souls blocked. I said, send them an offer of 400,000 for 1,000 square meters, and of course I'm gutted because he sent a message back. So basically 5,000 square meter for 1,000 square meters is 8 million pesos, which is 100 and, oh, did I work it out? 100 and $38,000, something like that. Jumping forward into the future, guys, it's 4 years later and
For sale.
it's still for sale. Now we've been told by a guy in the know that it's now 12,000 a square meter. So they're clearing the land to see what you're getting for your money. It goes way back to that house over there and way over there. Massive amount of land, as you can see. 24,500 square meters.
You can ask for long-term lease.
Long-term lease as well. You can lease it if you don't want to buy it. Not something I know what you'd use it for lease. You know, buy it or leave it. I wouldn't lease it. So they're clearing it all the way back there. They're getting rid of all this. The problem is it dips there. All the way right over there. It'd have to be filled in. That'll cost a lot of money, I think, to fill all that in. So we'll fast forward to show you where I was when I was first talking to you. So you may have remembered this from the first part of the video. I showed you how it was. This is now. When we come before, I didn't have a car. This is where I parked my car. See, they've bulldozed all the way through from the other part. This is all part of what's for sale. At some point they're going to bulldoze all this as well. They're going to clear the lot.
So you mean that's his land now?
No, he's bought some land over there. I'll try and show you guys. Gotta stop saying guys. I'll show you what I mean.
Oh, it's a picture.
See, there's people, it's not their land, but they're growing vegetables on it and stuff. If you look here, the land dips. Now that's massive, and it goes quite a way that way, and you saw quite a way that way. And then the land goes right over there. All this is going to be bulldozed, so I guess they're going to do all this as well. The front bit. Well, baby, yeah, I know. What's that called, man? Papaya. So I don't know if there comes a point somebody buys it. I guess we'll have to find somewhere to park. It's convenient here for us.
We wish we have money so we can buy this land, right?
Not this land, that other land, that smaller bit. I wouldn't buy this one.
I thought you want the over there.
I would. I mean, if that was a lot and we could afford it, I would, because I've got plans. So
Maybe 1,000 square meter you can buy as well here.
yeah, yesterday there was all trees along here. None of this was all bush and trees, and I had to move my car. They dragged the jeepney out. That's been there years. I don't know who that belongs to. So now my car's out in the open. Bless her. Why do they always call cars she?
Clear.
She's a beautiful car.
Clear up.
Yeah, so you can see what you're buying now, basically. So if you got quite a few million.
Yeah, so guys, if you're interested in this land, just inquire to Chris. Just email.
Yeah, I mean, it's not, don't get me wrong, guys, there's nothing to do with us. We're not connected to this,
Yeah.
other than we pay to have a car
We
parked
inquire,
here.
but we did not get the reply yet.
No, when he replies, we'll be able to tell you for sure. What he said last time was we have to buy the whole lot, but we'd get discount. But you're not getting discount because you know how it works. So I hope he sells it. You know, I wish him the best of luck. And the land sells.
It's more secure here to park, right? Because it's open.
Yeah, now it's open. My car's got an alarm on it, and there's 3 people that park here just live across the road. and they got a bit annoyed at me because before I replaced the battery with a brand new battery, the other one kept running flat, and once it got to a certain point the alarm went off and they kept running to see what was happening, and of course there was nobody trying to break into the car. Oi, nuisance, come on.
Take a video. A video picture for thumbnail.
So just to finish off, guys, this is another little piece of land. Well, it's not so little, it's nearly 4,000 square meters. And like where my car's parked, they've cleared it because people couldn't see what they were going to be buying. So basically it goes right back to them tallest coconut trees.
3,845 square meter.
Yeah. Now we've sent a message, but we're not getting anything back. We've spoke to somebody where we parked the car. He always knows what's happening, and he's told me that it's 12,000 pesos a square meter. He's bought 200 square meters on the other bit we've just shown you where my car's parked. So what do you think, guys? Comments below.
It's guys, this land is near in Naga City.
Yeah, it's
Spotlight. I mean,
I still don't understand why it's so expensive, but we're like 15-minute walk into Naga from here.
I mean, it's not near in Naga. It's main in Naga City.
It's on the outskirts of Naga City, basically. So that's it, guys. It's over to Mel.
Please, wait lang, I will say something pa. So guys, if you're interested in this land, just contact us. So because we already inquired, but we did not reply yet, right? If how many square meters?
You'll get the proper price. Just give us an email. Yeah. And once we know, we'll tell you what it is. Going to get run over here. I will say before we go, if I won the lottery tomorrow, I'd buy this. I'd definitely buy this. It's just enough.
I thought you want the other one.
No, because I saw something that I don't like. So that's it. Over to you, Mel. I hope you've found this video informative.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye, guys.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dadlocks, Gladio Atlantid, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Gladio Atlantid, Rick's Destination Cebu, Alvar Jitch, Vera Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvair, Didas Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.